Sigiriya or Sinhagiri is an ancient rock fortress located in the northern Matali district, near the town of Dambulla in the central province, Sri Lanka. It is a site of historical and archaeological significance that is dominated by a massive column of granite rock approximately 180 meters high. It was designated as a World Heritage Site in 1982. Sigiriya is famous for its palace ruins on top of a massive 200-meter-high rock, surrounded by the remains of an extensive network of gardens, reservoirs, and other structures. The rock itself is a lava plug left over from an ancient long exti. Some visitors stop at the Lion Plateau and then head back. It can be a tough climb to the top, but the views from there are just stunning. Sigiriya is a significant site of the Cultural Triangle and perhaps Sri Lanka's most iconic historical destination. The site, also known as Lion Rock, is recognized all over the world for the remains of the ancient Sigiriya Rock fortress and its numerous enchanting and well-preserved attractions. Sigiriya is considered to be one of the most important urban planning sites of the first millennium, and the site plan is considered very elaborate and imaginative. The plan combined concepts of symmetry and asymmetry to intentionally interlock the man-made, geometrical, and natural forms of the surroundings.